This is some of the dumbest shit I've ever fucking seen. Video description for the visually impaired. Instagram user scarlet.o.hair using a tiny gold hairnet as a yarmulke so she can live her best Galadriel life. And video description. Baby girl, honey child, you look gorgeous, darling. Why are you wearing a snood as a yarmulke? I get that this lady's brand is her hair, it's in her handle, which is very good branding, but like, this is a small snood for putting a bun into, and therefore obviously not one of the big ones that you can flop your whole hair into. So yes, this is a fault of the company that sent it to her, and not hers specifically. As in the fault of the companies for either not having or not sending an extra large snood required for somebody who can sit on their hair, or for not sending her instructions with historical examples and diagrams, illustrations, and instructional video. So what does this girl do? She wears this little snood as a yarmulke. Yes, the Hebrew word is kippah, the Yiddish word is yarmulke, hashtag the more you know. Guess which one lives in your head rent-free when you're born and raised in New York City. She puts it on the crown of her head, also known as the parietal lobe. Also known as where short people blow dry and or put little gadgets in their hair as a puff to give themselves an extra inch or so of height. And styles her hair long all around this yarmulke. Hair long and streaming like in all fantasy nowadays, though that's not Tolkien's fault, that's actually the Pre-Raphaelites. They went too hard with the oil paintings, man. I love Lawrence Welch, and I know all y'all adore Stevie Nicks, but there are other ways of embodying woodland nymph energy, and I'm just not seeing them represented anywhere nowadays. So please comment if and when you know of any modern examples, particularly if that example is you. So while Ever After 1998 was never going for strict historical accuracy, it's just kind of set in 15 mumble. We do see some wonderful snoods. Not to mention, if you love black and white movies and TV like I do, you'll have seen them anyway because snoods have been fashionable for centuries. So reenactors and fans of historical fiction are still wearing them today. Isn't that awesome? Too long didn't read. Snoods are fancy hairnets. This lady was not netting all her hair. What the fuck?